Okay, so it says in the direction that quadrilateral WXYZ is a rectangle right here, if you can see. And so that means all of these right here and here and here are equal. So all of these right here and these two. Now of course there's a little 90-degree angle right here, or the segment, yes. And so that is where the common midpoint between all these is B. Okay? So it says if Py equals 3x minus 5 and WP equals Tx plus 11, find GP. Okay? So we're going to want to plug that in. Yeah? So 2x plus 11. Let me do this real quick. So it should look somewhat like it is. Let me cover this up like that. Okay. Should look something like this. So WP is 2x plus 11 and PY is 3x minus 5. Okay. We're going to set them equal to each other because this is a rectangle. So we set them equal to each other. Now we want to find out what GP is. GP is this one right here. Sorry, the camera is a little no. We want to find GP. So I don't know if you can see, but GP is right here. Oh, there we go. It's like GP. We're given this, and since all four are equal to each other, we will simply find out the answer very easily. Now, let's set them equal. So we have a negative and a positive. It is easier usually to add. So that is added. Let me do the math. Okay, the x minus 5 is, so we're going to add the 5 here. Yes, we'll do 11 plus 5. Okay, that is easy. What do we do? Oh yes, so 3x equals 2x plus 16. Yes, so then after that, after that we do subtract 2x from here and 2x from here. That will give us x equals 16, and that is the one. But since this is asking for a something similar to a side, I guess you don't want to plug in the x to either one. It does not matter. But since it seems easier, we will put it. I will put it into both. Okay, so let's put it down. So here we go. We have 2x plus 11, and we also have 3x minus 5. Yes, that is not. Now we're going to plug in the x. That is 16 plus 11. We have 3 times 16 minus 5. Now, does this look right? It's up to you to say. Yes, it does. I hope it does. Now, 16 times 2, that is 32. Okay, plus 11. Okay, on this side it is 16 times 3. 16 times 3 is 48. Yep, got that. No, at minus 5. Now take 32 and we add 11 to that. That is 43. There we go. So since we got 43 for this one, it also has to be 43 for this one. But we will make sure. So 48 minus 5, that does come out to 43. Perfect. Okay. So very good. A check mark on that and a check mark on that. We are already growing in intelligence. Now, that was number 15. Now for 16. 16. Let me write this down. So, if m, or sorry, if the measure z, y, w equals 2x minus 7 and the measure of wyx equals 2x plus 5, find m the measure of z, y, w. I will do this in the next video. Goodbye. Have a great day. Okay, number 16. If the measure of GYW is equal to x minus 7 and measure of WYX equal to x plus 5, find the measure of GYW. Okay, so I started the leader here. Yes, okay. This was from the past videos. So, which is number 16. Yes, we got that right there. Yeah. Now, we're going to want to draw a picture. It is very important to visualize, especially in geometry. We have a rectangle. It is a bit messy, sorry. Draw very slowly without a ruler. Now, let's label this, okay? So we got Z, we got W, and P. We have Y next. There we go. Now, we give in the measure of ZYW, which is 2x plus 7. So, Z is right here, Y and W. Now, the middleman, which is Y right there, is always a very important man. The middleman is very important. Okay, so we have ZYW, and that is a very important man again. Yeah. But it is the top left column. Do not get this mixed up. It is the one right here. Not this one, but this one. So we're gonna plug that in. So for a second, 2x plus 7. And so the same goes for WYX. We have Y again. Okay, very important. That make our basis. And so we have 2x plus 5. But this time we have W and X. W and X. So 2x plus 5 goes there. Okay. So we got that. Now, this is a rectangle. Okay. Well, we know that because it says it right here. Rectangle. WYXZ is the rectangle. WYXZ is a rectangle. Okay. So we're going to set them equal to it. Sorry. We're going to add the both of these numbers 2x plus 7 plus 2x plus 5 and set them equal to 90. Let's do this. 2x minus 7 plus 2x plus 5. Okay. Now that is going to be 9. That is going to be set equal to 90. I think we got that. Now, we want to simplify this problem because there is more than one x variable, and the same goes with the regular variable. Okay, so first 2 plus 2 is 4. Now keep the x, so it becomes 4x. Negative 7 plus 5 equals negative 2. Now we're going to move down the 90 degrees. Okay, there we go. Now, what do we do here? We take the 2 and add it to the 90. There we go. moving down. Okay, 92. There we go. Now, what we do here? Here we were going to divide by 4 because we are trying to simplify the number. Divide this by 4. Divide this by 4. And that will be, I think it is about 23. Let me check that really quick. Let's see. 22 divided by 4. Yes, it is 23. So we have gotten that question right. Now, what it is asking, it wants to find z, y, w. Okay, so here z, y, w. So we're giving z, y, w equals 2x minus 7. So let's take that 2x minus 7. Okay, now we plug it in. 2 times 23 minus 7. Do we understand? So now we're going to simplify it again. So we will take 23 times 2. And I believe that is 46. Now we bring down the 7 and we subtract 7 from that. That will be 39. And that is your answer. This is interpreting intellect. Thank you.